Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Ready to unlock a powerhouse exercise that sculpts your physique, ignites your metabolism, and makes you feel like an absolute boss? Look no further than the mighty deadlift. This compound movement engages more muscle groups than almost any other exercise, targeting your back, legs, core, you name it. But the deadlift isn't just about building strength, it's about building confidence. It's about pushing past your perceived limitations and realizing you're capable of more than you thought. And trust me, the feeling of conquering that heavy barbell? Nothing short of exhilarating. Whether you're a gym newbie or a seasoned lifter, mastering the deadlift can revolutionize your fitness journey. So, are you ready to step up to the bar and unleash your inner strength? Let's get started. Mastering the deadlift is like mastering any skill. It takes practice, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Here's your step-by-step guide to performing a safe and effective deadlift. Step 1. Approach the barbell. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, the barbell over your shoelaces. Ensure your toes are pointing slightly outward. Step 2. Hinge at the hips. Push your hips back, maintaining a flat back and engaged core. Step 3. Grip the barbell. Grab the bar with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width. Step 4. Lift with power. Drive through your heels, keeping your back straight as you lift the barbell off the ground. Step 5. Lower with control. Slowly lower the barbell back to the ground, reversing the movement by hinging at your hips. Remember, proper form is key to preventing injury and maximizing results. Focus on each step, and don't be afraid to start with lighter weights to perfect your technique. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to fall into common deadlift pitfalls. But fear not. By recognizing and correcting these mistakes, you'll be well on your way to deadlifting like a pro. Mistake number 1, rounding your back. This is a recipe for disaster, putting your spine at risk. Focus on keeping your back straight throughout the entire lift. Solution: imagine a broomstick along your back, maintaining contact with your head, upper back, and sacrum. Mistake number 2, lifting with your arms. Remember, the deadlift is primarily a leg and back exercise, not a bicep curl. Solution: think of your arms as ropes, simply connecting your hands to the weight. The power comes from your legs and back. Mistake number 3, jerking the weight. Momentum might seem helpful, but it compromises form and increases injury risk. Solution: maintain a controlled, fluid motion throughout both the lifting and lowering phases. Section 4. Listen to your body, lift smart. Finding your perfect deadlift form. Everybody is unique, so what works for one person might not work for another. Finding your perfect deadlift form is about listening to your body and making adjustments as needed. Here are a few tips to personalize your deadlift. Stance. Experiment with your foot placement to find what feels most stable and powerful. Grip. If you experience discomfort with an overhand grip, consider an alternate grip, like a mixed grip. One hand overhand, one hand underhand. Range of motion. Don't be afraid to adjust the range of motion to suit your flexibility and mobility. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Pay attention to how your body feels, and don't hesitate to seek guidance from a certified personal trainer if needed. Section 5. Beyond the barbell. The ripple effects of deadlifts on your life. The benefits of deadlifts extend far beyond the gym. Here's how incorporating this powerhouse exercise can positively impact your life. Increased functional strength. Deadlifts mimic everyday movements, making daily tasks like carrying groceries or lifting furniture feel like a breeze. Improved posture. By strengthening your back and core muscles, deadlifts promote better posture, reducing back pain and boosting confidence. Enhanced athletic performance. The explosive power developed through deadlifts translates to improved performance in various sports and activities. Mental toughness. Conquering. Challenging deadlifts builds mental resilience and a can-do attitude that spills over into other areas of your life. Section 6. Embrace the challenge, transform your body. Your deadlift journey starts today. So, there you have it, your comprehensive guide to mastering the deadlift. Remember, this exercise is a journey, not a race. Start slow, focus on proper form, and gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. Don't be afraid to ask for help from experienced lifters or personal trainers. Embrace the challenge, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. Now get out there, lift heavy, and unleash the incredible power within you. You've got this.